What is up, you guys? So today we are finally gonna get to start painting. Right now, we have I have the whole bed and stuff set up right there. We wet the floor, so we're trying to get we don't want a lot of dirt to get in the paint while we're painting. It might get a little bit anywhere you go. It's hard not to get trash or anything on the paint. So we wet the floor to try to prevent that. Hopefully we don't, but we got it all ready. My brother is ready to paint right now. Just getting the little intro ready. We did go ahead and go with the black. I'm not gonna show y'all what kind of black. It's not a regular black. It has a little bit of flakes in there, but I'll show y'all that when we're ready. Alright, you guys, so we finally got the bed painted. Y'all can see it is super shiny. We're still gonna wet sand and buff it and stuff like that. It got a little bit of trash, but it's still good. Looks like it'll came out super shiny. The tailgate, we also got it painted, but the tailgate's on the other side. You gotta take out the truck to get it. This side, it came out super good. It's a black, but it has a pearl. It don't have pearl. It has metallics in there. The paint has metallics. I don't know if it can pick it up, but it looks real good in the sun. Yesterday, I was seeing my tailgate when we painted it, and in the sun, it looked real nice. I tried to put it on like the flash to record a video, but it's not picking up the metallic. It just looks like there's dirt in the paint. Not dirt in the paint, but it looks, you can't see the metallics in the sun with it. It just looks like gray. It doesn't look how you see it in person. But yeah, guys, this is the bed. We got the bed finished already. All this right here, I didn't paint none of this from the inside. There's primer there. This is all dirty. Primer there. I'm gonna end up getting bed liner, so I wasn't gonna waste paint on all in the inside of the bed if it was just gonna be covered with bed liner. So that's the reason I didn't paint the inside. But yeah, guys, this is this half of the truck. I got the other half. The other half is done pretty much already. I already blocked the primer. I just gotta go. I blocked it with 180. I just gotta go over it with 400 so it can take out like all the scratches and stuff. But yeah, guys, here's the truck. I think I'm gonna be done with the truck pretty soon. Hopefully in about 2 to 3 weeks, I'll be done with the truck. I still need to go buy the grill, the front bumper, the back bumper, and fog lights, and I think that's it. So hopefully in the next 2-3 weeks, hopefully I can finish it. I think I am. But yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. We're still doing the $100 giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Peace.